G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva again. And it's a bit cloudy outside, so what I thought we might do is look at creating a simple shadow. So how do we go about creating a simple shadow, you ask? Well, what we do is go over to Elements, and in Elements we look for our subject. So I'm going to put here female. So let's have a look at the photos, and maybe let's choose this one here. So for this, I'm going to remove the background. So we go to Edit Photo. Over here, go to Background Remover, and there we have it, a background removed. So let's wait for the tick to appear here. Then what we'll do is just tighten up these lines around the image. Increase it. So that's the first stage done. Okay, so now that we've got our shadow, what we're going to do with this is come over here and duplicate. Okay, and then we're going to go to Edit Photo, and what we're going to do is come to Adjust, and we're going to turn the brightness all the way down and put the contrast all the way up. Okay, so I'm just going to duplicate this page just to make it easier, and what we've got to do now is just download that. Okay, and then we're going to upload it. So we'll come over to Uploads. Once that's downloaded, and we'll just go back up to the first page, delete that one, come over to Uploads, go to Upload Files, and wait for my image to upload. Is what I didn't actually do before is we'll make that transparent, which will just prevent us from having to remove the background. So go done. Go there. Go. Jump in. Female. Save. Now we can go to Uploads, Upload Files, back to the first page, Upload Files, I've got Jump in Female, Upload, then bring it into the design, and we'll just tighten up these frames, lines, what do you want to call it, and I'll just line that up, make sure that's alright. Okay, so what we want to do is go to Edit Photo, we want to adjust. Want to take the brightness all the way down and go to Edit Photo again, and we want to go to Blur, and we want to do Whole Image, paste that now, center back. So depending on which way your light source is coming from, so either that way or that way, you can really muck around with this. You can increase the distance from the lady, you can increase the height, you can put it over this way. This way is probably the best, like that. Okay, and what you can do also here is come over to elements and type in brick. Alright, let's make it a white one. Alright, so there's this one here, this one here. Maybe I'll choose this one, white. These are grey bricks. Okay, that's some graphics. Set image as background. Okay, so you can do that sort of stuff. Or detach. Let's try photos. Okay, we can do this here. Set image as background. Okay, you can highlight both of those and enlarge it. Alright, and what we'll do is we'll just drop that, increase that up there. So it sort of looks like the, I don't know, the light's coming from that direction. Downwards, upwards. And there you have it. So that's how to create a shadow using an object. So another way of creating a shadow is to do this. Alright, so as we know, we can create a text shadow. So we can add our text, type shadow for example, then we'll come over here. I like this sort of text, so we can go like that. And we'll make that a color of, let's say the blue. Alright, so what we can do there is go to share, download, and page 2 we'll make it transparent background. Go download, and we'll save that there. Get rid of that, and go to uploads, upload file, go to shadow. Let's just check something. Send back. Oh, that didn't go transparent, so we have to remove the background here. Alright, we'll just increase that out to the corners of the page. Is duplicate that. Again, just come over here, go adjust. You can decrease the brightness, increase the contrast. Okay. Then what we do is we'll just copy that, paste that there. Go share, go download. Time. Okay, we can go shadow 2. that. Edit, go to adjust. We'll drop down the brightness. Okay, come to edit photo again. Go to blur. Okay, we want to do a whole image. Alright, we'll come up to about 50. Okay, go back. And just make sure that lines up. Layer, we can send that to back, and again we can just drop it off to the right, drop it off to the left, up, down. Okay, go like that, up. Okay, we can change the page color, a bit darker grey. That looks alright. Okay, so there you have it. That's a shadow to a word, and what we can also do is we'll just copy this one here, we'll come down here, alright, like that, paste that there. We can go to edit photo, and our good old shadows effect, we can do a drop shadow, we can do the blur, increase it, decrease it, like that. We can do the intensity, like that. We can do the distance, we can do the angle, okay, I like that. And that's another way of doing it. So there's a few ways of creating shadows within Canva with, I guess, people, words, okay, and also the inbuilt shadow function within Canva. So another way of making a shadow effect is to come over to the apps, and what we'll be looking for is the app called Typecraft. And what this allows you to do is create text and pull that text in all different directions. So we use the same word, shadow, and we'll use this font just for the purposes. Alright, so in here we just drag this all the way up like this. Okay, and we can apply that. So I'm just going to use rulers. Okay, so I'm going to just drag in a ruler here. I'll expand this out. Okay, and drag in a ruler here. And drag down a ruler here. Alright, so we just need to drag that up slightly. Go apply or update element. Too far. Okay, just bring this up and bring this up slightly. Update element. Okay, so now that we've got that text there, we'll click on that and duplicate, and what we want to do is duplicate this page, get rid of that one, and we'll update image. Cool. And we want to have this kind of look like a diminishing shadow. So what we can do is bring that down. Okay, so now that we've got that, what we want to do is this. We want to get rid of that one. We want to just copy that one, put that one there, and we'll download that. This current page, transparent background, download. And we'll put that there as shadow 3. Go save. And what we'll also do is get rid of that. We'll download that one. Download, transparent background, download as shadow 4. Didn't choose it. Download current page, transparent download. Okay, go 4. Alright, go save. And then we'll just create a new page. We'll go over to uploads, upload files, upload 3 and 4. Go open. Alright, that didn't download transparently, so we'll go edit background. Okay, go to uploads. Go edit background. Alright, so now that we've got both our shadows, we'll just increase them to the page. Okay. Like that. Bring that there. Bring that there. Bring that there. And bring that there. Okay, so same process. What we can do here is go to shadows. No, not shadows, sorry. We can go to blur. And we can click on whole image, and we can intensify about, maybe let's go 50, see what that looks like. Go back. Alright. And there you go. It's a shadow. It's not at any particular angle except just to highlight between the AD and O there, but yeah, there is another way of doing a shadow. So what we can also do here is duplicate that, for example, and go to get an image, do blur again, bring it up to about 50 with whole image. Okay, and we can create a shadow back that way, like that, and we can change the background like that. What we can also do is come over here to elements, type in shadow, and horizontal border shadow, drop shadow. There's so many different shadow elements in here. Illustration of a shadow. So we'll use this one here, drop shadow, and we can place that underneath there, increase it, and show layers. We can bring that behind. Okay, and I guess the other thing is not a shadow, but it is a gradient. We can say choose this one here, black gradient background. Okay, flip it around this way, bring it up here. Down, for example. Alright, go to layers, show layers. We'll bring the gradient down there. Okay, so just a few things that you can do with text and shadows and people and shadows. So the world is your oyster, as they say, so shadow away and bring it to the light. All the best, and thank you again for watching Fun with Canva. Bye for now.